Monday morning, July 28th. Here's the Astro Excel for the week ahead. We're in slightly negative territory for a good part of the week until we get to May 1st here, right around noon. We start to move up, and then we get a strong push to the upside through the trading on Friday on the green line. So slightly negative territory until we start moving up into Friday. Spikes on the blue line. First important spike is here tonight at 2100 in the quiet time. Next one outside the 10s is not till the 1st at 10 a.m. and then one in the early evening, 1700. Again in the quiet period. Then Friday, 10 a.m. We've got good movement in tandem late Thursday and then again Friday morning with the directional confluence on the blue and green line. So that's what we're looking at for this coming week.